The decision to suspend guar trading is turning into a big controversy. Industry body ASSOCHAM has alleged that some traders are manipulating trades at the National Commodity Exchange, which has led to huge price distortions. Now, Manisha Gupta joins us on the latest on this. Manisha.
Well, guar always has been into controversies. It has been banned in this week after the prices have run up from nearly 8,000 rupees per quintal to 28,000 rupees per quintal. The ban has come on back of low volumes and upper circuits on a daily basis. Many people have been saying various things onto it, starting with ASSOCHAM first, and they say that there is manipulation by traders on NCDEX. Guar prices have seen artificial price rise. They also said that they are disregarding the export numbers reported by EFRIDA. NCDEX in return has said that guar exports have gained up by 194% year-on-year basis, and also that SK Jindal of ASSOCHAM, who has been coming out with these press releases, has vested interest in guar as a commodity there. FMC, or the Forward Market Commission, also has been saying a lot of things. They have said that they have asked exchanges to provide details not just about guar but about other agro-commodities which have been moving a lot, and also that they will take stern action against any evidence of price manipulation. As of now, there is no trades happening in case of guar seed or gum, but markets and industry is quite are happy with it, because guar seed as a commodity is a totally exported commodity, and farmers, processors, growers, exporters, everybody has been earning from it. So a ban really in that sense could have been avoided here.